What's up YouTube? Welcome to Smooth Health and welcome to our Veganuary series. Over the next 31 days we're going to be telling you all about veganism, vegan nutrition, lifestyle, shopping and travel. Plus showing you loads of cool and tasty recipes that you can try at home. So to keep up to date, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to check out our range of vegan protein smoothies at www.smoothhealth.co.uk. Now play the video. As the title of this episode suggests, today we are going to look at the question, why should I go vegan? There are many reasons why you should consider veganism, but for me, the first and foremost reason is the animals. Most of us love animals, right? Have you ever watched an episode of Animals Do the Funniest Things? Well, it really is true that animals do the funniest and cutest things. They can't talk to us, so they try to communicate in other ways, often with hilarious outcomes. But every year in the UK, approximately 1.57 billion animals are slaughtered, taken from their families and their lives for human consumption. That's just over 2,000 animals every minute killed for food. I recently did a test on the Vegan Society website, their Veganuary, to see roughly how many animals would be saved by me going vegan. The results astounded me. Take a look. In just 1 year of being vegan, I would have saved approximately 37 animals, 376 by year 10, and a massive 1,877 animal lives saved by me in 50 years of being vegan. If you want to have a go and see your impact, just go to the Vegan Society website and click on their Veganuary, or click on the link in the description below. Now, I want to give you a few facts about the industry of animal-based food products, but just a quick warning, this may be upsetting to some people, and although I've not included any really graphically disturbing images, there are some images of the disturbing treatment of animals which may be upsetting to some of our viewers. Did you ever wonder why the industrial lambing season is so short, and how the food industry can so successfully breed enough sheep to keep demand met? The sheep's reproductive cycle isn't automatically at the same time as every other sheep, but to meet demand, the food industry wants to be able to control this, so they take a sponge soaked in progestogen and insert it into the ew's vagina up to 15 centimetres. They then inject the ewe with a hormone called PMSG to bring the breeding season forward. This allows the food industry to essentially breed sheep whenever it suits them. When that ewe is no longer able to produce a lamb, it's sent to the slaughterhouse and sold as meat. Okay, so now I want to clear up a myth about chicken farming and so-called free-range eggs. We've all had visions when we see a label saying free range of a bunch of happy chicken running around a nice open field, plenty of grass, playing and having a great time. But the reality is that free range just means not caged. Obviously, caging chickens is illegal in the UK now, but these so-called free range chickens are never normally free and still never normally taste fresh air or see the sun. They're free from cages, but are crammed into a sort of shed with potentially thousands of others, essentially still caging it. Much like the sheep, when this chicken has stopped laying, it's then sent to the slaughter. Female pigs are forcefully impregnated many times throughout their lives and give birth in a tiny crate where they can't even turn or move other than to lie down or stand up. This means they cannot nurture or love their newborn. Now the most shocking of all, do you or someone you know have a pet rabbit? Did you know that rabbits are the second most farmed land animal in Europe, with more than 300 million killed throughout Europe every year? And the slaughter of these cute fluffy animals is truly barbaric. First, they're struck in the face with a blunt object, in an often failed attempt to knock the animal unconscious. Then, more often than not, still conscious, they have their rear legs snapped and are hung upside down before having their throats sliced and are left to bleed to death. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the health involved in veganism. And we're not going to talk about this too long in this video, because if you want to know more details about the health benefits, remember to subscribe to our channel, as we're going to be doing a full video on this subject later on in the month. Veganism has many health benefits, some seemingly small benefits like an improvement to skin tone, hair quality and sleep pattern, but there are many longer term benefits to eating green. Approximately 1 in 6 people in the UK experience some form of mental health problem, such as anxiety and depression, every single week. That makes it one of the most widely affecting health conditions of our time. A number of scientific studies have proven that a plant-focused or plant-based diet can significantly improve mood and help with symptoms of severe depression. Plant-based diets are also proven to help avoid obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes and cancer. Although it's important to bear in mind, plant-based diet is not a cure, but can lower your risk of getting those illnesses. Many professional athletes, including MMA fighter James Wilkes, F1 legend Lewis Hamilton, world record marathon runner Fiona Oakes, Olympic weightlifter Kendrick Farris, and pro soccer player Heather Mitts, among many, many more, have all ditched meat-based diets and have all said they noticed a significant increase in sports performance since taking on the plants. Remember, to learn more about this subject, subscribe to our channel, as we're doing a full video soon on the health benefits of eating vegan. Now, when talking about health benefits of a vegan diet, it's important we don't just think about our bodies directly. There's also global health and planet health. Worldwide, there is a vast issue with zoonotic diseases, including Salmonella, E. coli and brucellosis, and certain flu strains such as bird flu and swine flu. Now, although these diseases are not solely transmitted through the consuming of meat and animal products, the risk of contracting one are significantly increased when doing so, and symptoms can vary from the mild to the life-threatening. These diseases can then spread from human to human, and as we're seeing at the moment with coronavirus, COVID-19, they can become a localised, nationalised, or even global health pandemic. When looking at planet health, the animal product industry has a huge part in the decline. From climate change, deforestation and species loss, to water shortages, dying oceans and pollution. The practice of taking animals and animal products and turning them into products for human use is killing the planet at an alarmingly fast rate. In just 40 years, 1 billion hectares of forest, or an area about the size of Europe, has gone, and that number is increasing by upwards of 80,000 acres every single day. That means if things don't change and the rate of deforestation continues on this path, there'll be no more tropical rainforests, home to more than 50 million different species of animals within the next 100 years or less. That could be in some of your or your kids' lifetimes. Animals such as jaguars, parrots and gorillas could be without a home and very quickly become extinct. So during this short video, we've looked at plenty of reasons why you should try going vegan, even if it's just for this month. The animals, the planet, and your health will all benefit massively if you cut all animal-based food products, even just for 31 short days. Remember, this is episode 1 of our series during Veganuary. Tomorrow we're going to be showing you a fantastic recipe that you can try at home. And we have loads more videos coming up in the next few weeks. So remember to subscribe to this channel. And while you're there, please click that like button, drop us a comment and let us know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching, be safe, and remember, it's not just any health.